So here I am. Got my battery going into a power source, charging the e-bike. Yeah, on a nice hot day. It's showtime! Let's go grab the eco road, turn the bad boy on. We're fully charged. I don't see an odometer. And I don't see a heat restriction. Double press. We'll go for a ride. This don't sit right. It never sits right. Gotta go do a good deed. And we all do it at times. So I think I am gonna put you away. Because I'm not gonna be comfortable single-handedly getting on here and doing one of those. I guess I can do it hand-free, but I don't like doing it fast. I'm only going 5 miles per hour, so if something happens, oh yeah, I could get off and walk. I just pushed. There I go. That's the way I ride, like this. My hands on the wheel. I got a bell. So we're riding along, getting to where we need to be at. Be there in 5 minutes or less. They were nice on a C-scooter. Oh man, just going up that elevator was boiling hot. And speaking about boiling hot, the hub is hot. You don't want to be riding a scooter, an e-bike, when it's 100 degrees for the reason of you may never know what happens. So don't charge your scooter when you get home. Let it cool off for at least a number of minutes. I would say a good hour. And then maybe then, you could put it on charge. So let's see how much heat that's on the tire. Oh man, I have to go get my glasses. Take a picture. That shows about 100 on the tire alone. 109, 105, 114, 133 degrees at the bearing. And then the battery alone is 87, 92. And then the kickstand's got some heat and it's a lot cooler. And then the back is 107 degrees. And then at the bearing area, 115. Let's not forget the top, 85, 89. And it's like 87 degrees. And 83 at the handlebars, 87, 92. Just let the bad boy cool down. And then we could go charge it another day. Oh man, I just love how things work. forgot to turn my mic on. It is what it is. Maybe I need a recharge. Maybe it overheated on a wonderful hot day. But let's see what the weather.
The National Weather Service has issued an air quality alert. It's currently cloudy and 82 degrees.
What's the highest temperature of the day?
The high will be 87 degrees Fahrenheit today.
That's not bad. What was the high yesterday in the temperature?
I can't get past weather information.
It was 100 yesterday. Like a computer, it only knows so much. What about you? You having fun with your E6 Eco Road scooter? I'm most sure you are. It gets from point A to point B and back. I was on a full battery. I went down half because I went top speed. Top speed won't get me my distance I need, 12 to 15 miles per hour. 12 to 15 mile range, that is. And on that note, I'm Fish. Time to go get the work done. Have a great day. I'm not leaving yet. See you soon.